Jim Jones and jewels, rock blue diamonds and gemstones in my jewels. Drink scissor and blow perp with the dip set. Hang with the members of the Dog Pound Crip set. Still smash honeys and spend cash money with carrots in my mouth, looking dummy like Bugs Bunny. Doing it, moving like a U-Haul, bigger than a dude that's too tall. From the turf to the school hall, I get scratched like a cue ball. Gritting and grinding, trying to stack my dough.
Bitch, why?
Then I'ma try to stack some more.
Bitch, why?
I'm more of a Mac than too short, falling out of control like Hassan on the hoop court. But I'm still starving like Messi Marvin, stuck on Eddie with 3 sluts in his Chevy, serving a cluck for the Fetty. Plus I was influenced by some of the best in the West. T-Nutty, Tupac, Corrupt, and Young Nas. What?
Hustling my way to be a millionaire, trying to have every flowing everywhere. Steady on the grind 'cause I'm a hustler there. Started out as a thousandaire, hustling my way to be a millionaire, trying to have every flowing everywhere. Steady on the grind 'cause I'm a hustler there.
The old brick phone is a new BlackBerry. Put the ice on your cream, nigga, like Jerry's. Red Timbs, red sweats, red Minute Maid, with a red bone bitch and a red Escalade. The homies know, nigga, I fuck with the Crip card. Ask Baby Hump and the Bixies, I fuck with the Crips hard. I hit Seattle when DC had 20 horse. And hopped out of red Chrysler, nigga, on 24s. What you know about that? 30 pack of Swishers smoking back to back. Ask 151, nigga, mess go dumb. Yank once, nigga, leave your whole face numb. I ride with a drum, send him around. When I hit Vegas, nigga, I be sitting them down. Little motherfucking sucker, I'll pepper your face. I'm gonna talk about that nigga on MySpace, bitch.
Hustling my way to be a millionaire, trying to have every flowing everywhere. Steady on the grind 'cause I'm a hustler there. Started out as a thousandaire, hustling my way to be a millionaire, trying to have every flowing everywhere. Steady on the grind 'cause I'm a hustler there.
I'ma look a bad bitch to buy them all out, then prepare with dick and fuck till I fall out. My clique stay hyphy and go all out, like kidnap your wifey and make her ball out, and splurge on a pimp till I'm plushing a phantom as I burn on some hemp to this hustler's anthem. In a 10-bedroom house with a 6-car garage, getting hit from your spouse with an optional menage. In a suite at the Mirage with some senseless sluts, 'cause these princess cuts will make your mistress touch. Plus I'm a hustler who stays chasing papes and blazing grapes in my bathing apes, doing my thug thing, living life as a young king with a pretty sprung thing. Who's a ditty with a tongue ring that loves to ride dick? The bitch is a prize pick. 5'2", eyes blue, fly blue with thighs thick.
As a thousandaire, hustling my way to be a millionaire,